This is probably one of my favorite tools for when you're 3D printing for details, for example. This is a failed version of it. I've just brought it here so you guys can see some of the details, how to remove some of the small little areas there you're having problems in. And I use this tool a lot to cut down right in the center here in these places and remove away from it. Look at that. Remove away from the skull, and you could actually get more details in there. Look at that. You want to go details, for example, see this one right here, down here? It's probably the most difficult one. Very precise. Trying to get that little piece down there. There you go. Get all the little details with this thing. This thing is great. Option is, if you ever want to clean it up, you could just do this to a cardboard box. Look at that. It comes off easily. See how fast it is? Took it out easily. Most critical things on my characters, I like to engrave eyes sockets in there. Make sure that I put some eyes in there. And that's it. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna paint it. When I'm painting it, there's an indentation there on the characters, and if I ever need some extra details, like to cut out some of the stuff features, I always use this tool to go in deep here in areas that other places can use. So I use this so much for my 3D prints. It's amazing. I had to go through clothing and stuff like that. If you see details like this, like if you're trying to remove this is the perfect tool for that. This is the perfect example for it. So look at that. And I'm able to remove like little crannies that I can't do it with other machines. Simple. In between areas, it does a great job. So I'm able to get some of the stuff, even clean up some of the stuff in here. Very simple with this, so you could retain all the details in it. And you know what's the best part of it? You don't have to worry about batteries because it's rechargeable, easy to use. Use it for your projects, for your 3D prints. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.